Well, P40, a museum. A little hydraulic leak. Wow. This place has changed. Go check out the flight line. Just on the flight line. Look at that. Okay, had to get that chin diaper out of my... look at this, X15 replica. Here's a F36, I think, F86. No, P80, P80 shooting star, way off. There's all the verbiage on that. So here we are next to LAX at the Proud Bird. First aircraft to break the speed of sound, X1. Wow. This is a very, very little known place to hang out. If you're waiting for a flight at LAX, go to the Proud Bird. Take a hack or Uber over to the Proud Bird. Enjoyed some lunch. Here's the back of the place. Really nice. They've really done a lot of improvements to it. I kind of like the old stuff, but P38. Wow. It's been here for a little while. I remember seeing that. And I think that's a Boeing. It's not a B-18, is it? It's a Beechcraft. Yeah, it's a Beechcraft Model 18. This is what Tommy's specialty is. My friend up in Paso Robles. Big B-18 guy. He had one of these sitting next to his hangar for a long time in pieces. There's a big boy. DC-3 with the engine laying on the ground next to it. Qantas, that's a new airport. This is a, we call this a milk jug. It was a Hellcat. DC-3 guy. That engine's been sitting there for 30 years. The P38 into the sun. There's a DBA, I think they are. Dive bomber attack. Carries torpedoes underneath. Mostly seen off aircraft carriers. One of the Blue Angels jets. Not a clue what it is, so I won't try and lie. It looks like a MiG, I know that. A MiG-21 maybe? F4 Skyhawk, Blue Angels. I'm just guessing on a MiG-21. MiG-15. Cool. That's small compared to American jets. But here we are, the Proud Bird. I'm here to meet the guy who bought my Suburban today. My new best friend. No, he's a good guy. Pat from Alabama bought the Suburban. It's not a. It's sold, guys. So it's going to Alabama. Another plane coming in. Get this chin diaper on me. LA requires chin diapers in all restaurants, I think. It's a cool plane. Let's watch this guy land. They're all lined up like it used to. There's one here, there's one back there, and there's one way, way back there, all lining up. Oh, it's over there. There it is. How they stay in the air going this slow is beyond me. Look how quiet it is. I remember the old days. Yeah, see, there's two backed up. You can see the landing lights on one, on final. All the way out there, about 12, probably 10, 15 miles out there is another one right behind it. Here's another, looks like a little 737. I don't know how many runways they have here at LAX. I think 2 long ones and a short one. Anyway, that'll do it for today. Tomorrow is Christmas party at Eagle Field. I will see you guys up there. I'll be with Dad all day. I'm bringing my dad with me. We're going to be traveling, taking the back roads up tomorrow. We're leaving early. We will be, you guys will be able to catch some comments from him, his one-liners. He's not, he's no filter on him, none whatsoever. Okay, folks, everybody have a great, great weekend.